Alright, let's do another subtraction example here. So you'll notice that I am subtracting, and just like I had my example with my pens, I want to think about this. If I have 3 pens and I'm subtracting, I take 2 pens away, still have a pen. Not a tree, not a car. They're pens. They stay the same. If I can add on a pen, I have 3 pens, and I add a pen, I have 4 pens. It's pens. So when I'm adding the ones place, I'm subtracting the ones place, I have the ones place. Let's take a look at that. So let's find the ones place. Where is it? I have 12.6, and the 2 is in the ones place. So I have 12.6. I'll just mark that with an arrow. The 2 is in the ones place. Then I want to subtract this number over here, the 4.25. So I want to find the ones place again, and the ones place would be the 4. So we're going to go ahead and line up the ones place. So that's where I'm just going to start, getting that ones place in there. I'm going to subtract 4.25, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. And it's a little, just to make things line up nicely, I'm going to go ahead and throw some zeros in there. They all have 4 digits. It's kind of nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and subtract. Okay, this is your hundredths place, so it's kind of like pennies. That's where that would go if this was money. So if I have 6 dimes, it's in the tenths place, so it's dimes. So I'm going to take a dime, so I only have 5 dimes, and then I'm going to go for pennies. So if I take a dime, that would be 10 pennies. Okay, so 10 minus 5 gives me 5. And then 5 minus 2 gives me 3. Now remember, when I'm subtracting, if I subtract a pen from a pen, a group of pens, I still have pens. So I have tenths place, tenths place. I still have the tenths place. Okay, so what about the ones place? 2 minus 4. That's a little tricky to do. So if I have $2 and you would like me to give you $4, I'm like, let me go borrow some money from my mom. Maybe somebody. My mom doesn't have any money either, but I won't talk about that. So I'm going to go ahead and I take this 10. So if I have a $10 bill and I'm going to make change, I'm going to give you 10 ones. 10 $1 bills from my $10 bill. So that means I have 10 and 2 together. I have a total of 12. So I have 12 $1 bills now, and I'm going to subtract 4. So 12 minus 4 gives me 8. So I have 8.35.